Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix TikTok inbox notification not showing. If you're using TikTok and your inbox notification not showing, so let's see how can you fix the issue. So the very first thing, you just have to open your app store and here go for search, and you just have to simply search for TikTok, and here you have to make sure that you haven't any pending update available, or if you have any pending update, try to update your TikTok app. Then go for settings and go for notifications, and from here you just have to look for the option of TikTok or TikTok app. Here you just have to look for it, and from here you have to make sure that you have enabled all of these settings, because sometimes it might be that your TikTok has not access to your notifications, so you cannot get notifications. So you must have to allow or enable them all. Once you have enabled it, you just have to open your TikTok app, and here, it will almost fix your issue. Or if this method doesn't work for you, you just have to tap on three dots, then tap on settings and privacy, and here you will get the option of notifications like that. And here you just have to enable these all toggles, or especially for messages. So you have to enable all of these messages toggles, and once you have enabled, it will fix the issue. As you can see that there's a notification for your messages, and you have enabled this setting. Or if you are still having any issue, so now what you have to do, you just have to open your settings, go for general, go for iPhone storage, go for TikTok, and here try to offload your app. You just have to tap on offload app, and the app will be offloaded. So after that, you just have to tap on reinstall app, and the app will be started reinstalling on your phone, because sometimes it might be that there will be any bug into your TikTok app. So in this way, all the bugs will be fixed, and you will not get any issue after that. So in this way, you can easily fix if your TikTok inbox notifications are not showing. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.